Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a punctuation mark. Yes, a punctuation mark which is very important, which is very popular, but at the same time is extremely confusing. I have seen my multiple students using this punctuation mark incorrectly. So let's see which punctuation mark I'm talking about and where should we use it. So the punctuation mark is apostrophe. Yes, apostrophe. So how are we going to use it? Let's understand one by one. First rule of using apostrophe. Whenever you are using contraction of any term, contraction is when you are using short form of something, when you are trying to contract something. For example, do not. So there are two ways of writing not. One is do not and one is don't. I'm sure you know about this. So don't. D-O-N-T. Tell me, where we use apostrophe? After N and before T. Why? Because we have omitted the letter O there. Do not, N-O-T not, and we have omitted this O. So wherever we omit the letter, we have to use apostrophe there. Don't, haven't, have not. So wherever you have omitted O or any sound or letter is omitted, we have to use apostrophe. Now please don't make your own spellings. Like for example, you are writing in your exam a spelling and you have forgotten the one letter or something. Please do not put an apostrophe there. No. Already the places are defined in dictionaries. So we have to only use at those places. Have you ever wondered why whenever we write, like for example, 10 o'clock, what's the time right now? 10 o'clock. So after O, why we put apostrophe? Because we have omitted the letter F there. 10 of the clock. Okay, and that's why we have to put apostrophe there. So first use, wherever we are using contractions, we have to put apostrophe at the place we have omitted or dropped a letter or a sound. Done? First rule done. Okay, so let's move to the second rule. It is one of the most common uses of apostrophe. Apostrophe is used with possessions. When something belongs to someone. When someone is owner of something. For example, Ram's pen. Ram apostrophe pen. What does it mean? It means that pen belongs to Ram. Ram is the owner of pen. Done? Now, in this particular rule, we have to understand three things. Yes, it's not tough, it's easy. Just pay attention. First thing that you have to take care of, with most of the singular nouns, singular is one. With most of the singular nouns, we have to use apostrophe plus S. As I already said, Ram's pen. Anushree's English classes. Now, with most of the plural nouns, we have to just add apostrophe, no S at all. For example, if I say cats, I'm talking about plural here. Cats food. I'm talking about plural here, again I'm telling you, cats, C-A-T-S, cats. So all I have to do is I have to just put a punctuation mark, an apostrophe at the end, and then I have to write food. because I'm talking about many cats here. Are you getting my point? If I'm talking about one student, I'll write student apostrophe s. But if I'm talking about plural, plural means more than one. So I will write students apostrophe park. Students park. Yes? Is it clear? It's not very tough. With most of the plural nouns, which the nouns which are ending at s, with s, what we have to just add an apostrophe. No s. Now third, there are some nouns which do not end with s and still have their plural form. For example, children. Children is plural of child. In this case, we have to add s, apostrophe plus s. So children's park. Yes? Women. Women is already plural. Women's. So apostrophe s. Women's area. This is women's area or women's compartment. Yes? Easy? So 3 rules that I told you. I hope you have understood these 3 rules. Of the second rule. These were the sub rules of the second rule. Okay. Now let's move on to the third one. Where else do we use it? With the lowercase letters. Lowercase letters are small letters. And why we use it? To avoid confusion. As you can see on my screen now, a teacher is asking her students, don't forget to place dots on your eyes. If I will not add apostrophe after I here, what will happen? It will become is. There won't be any meaning, or the meaning will change completely. So in this case, with lowercase letters, we have to use apostrophe and then s. Okay? Okay, now there is one way of writing it in a sentence. Just try to understand it. I'm going to tell you only 2 more points. Yes? First, if in a sentence there are 2 or 3 owners, or maybe more than 1, but I am talking about only one thing. Many owners, more than one owner, and one thing. So, am I going to write apostrophe? Am I going to put apostrophe after each owner or after each name? No. I am going to use it only after the last one. For example, Riya and Priya's parents have come. Riya and Priya's parents have come. So I will write Riya and Priya apostrophe s, parents. This means that we are talking about parents of both. What will happen if I will add apostrophe after Riya, first one also? Riya's and Priya's parents. It will mean that they both have different set of parents. They are not sisters or siblings. So this was the second point. If in a sentence there are 2, 3 or maybe more owners and things are also different which they own, thing or person or whatever, separate things, different owners, apostrophe after each. That's it. I hope you have understood this class on apostrophe. If you have understood it, if you have liked it, do let me know in the comment section, and if you have any query, do let me know that also. This is Anushree signing off. Thank you.